Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is April 25th and I'm back again with a weekly update. So here is what the this month's candle looks like. The month is yet to close. This is what it looks like. We are still above 2008 trend line but below 38% retracement level, and we are above 2015 highs. Let's look at the week that went by. So this week we have formed kind of a hanging man candle. We opened at the markets opened at 93.90, had a sharp correction, went all the way down to 89.10. We could say 89.10. Yeah, 89.10, and then bounced back and ended about 2015 highs. So this range becomes very important, friends. So we'll need to see which way it will break out. It will break out towards the top or to the bottom would be important. And I have put a MACD indicator here as well. So on a weekly basis we are seeing the candle heights are shrinking, and the volatility is coming down, but we are still under the zero line, right? Let's look at the daily chart, right? So on a daily chart, Friday, that's yesterday, we formed this kind of a candle. It's a gravestone doji candle. So we opened here, opened at the same level, and we closed also at the same level. Markets tried to move up, but it was actually pushed down. And there was also this bad news of Franklin Templeton Fund House closing 6 of their debt funds. That may also have contributed to the correction. Overall, the we are still in this triangle. Let me put that triangle here. So that is one case. Have been one possibility that I am following. So let me increase the height. So this is actually a ascending triangle, ascending bear market triangle, which has 5 legs. So if we go by this case, so we have done A, B, C, D, and we are in the last leg of the rally. I'm not saying this is what is going to happen, but this is definitely one of the possibilities. So if this is indeed a bear market ascending triangle, after leg E, which could meet somewhere here around 9500 or 9575, it could start a down move or it could go up. So nothing is guaranteed, but just whatever patterns we feel it is matching, we could actually consider and analyze according to that. So as of this, yeah, this triangle formation is intact. The candle has ended within the triangle. This could be a retracement of this small rally, this two candle rally that we saw. This could be a retracement, and in fact, if I plot the retracement level, this comes exactly just below, a tad below 38% retracement of this rally. So if this bounces back, it may face some resistance at 93.90, but it may actually breach. Never know. It may, if it breaches the stop of this triangle, this channel would become a resistance, and it would be interesting to see when it would happen and how it will react. Should not be the candle, as the triangle, as I said, is converging. There is not much room left. It needs to break out in one of the direction. Let's see which direction could that be. And MACD here again on daily charts, it is still under zero line, and the size of the candles are decreasing. The volatility is decreasing. We could even go one step down and see few more interesting stuff. So I have changed the chart to 4 hours interval. So here you see, friends, the on the MACD indicator, the candles have become really small. The volatility has come down by a great deal. In fact, if you see the signal line is actually trying to cross the average. So need to see next few days will be very critical, right? The up move that started here, the trend also changed. MACD also crossed over around this time. That strength is actually slowly decreasing, and it is actually close to nothing right now. The strength has definitely decreased. Next few days will be very critical, and we need to watch out for these levels. So as I said, on the bottom, towards the bottom, we have this 2015 highs and this trend line and 20 EMA 20 EMA, these could be the supports, and towards the top we have the resistance as at this 99.90 level, and this ascending triangle channel, right? So these could play as resistance. We even have I think we are, let's go back to the daily charts. Yes, so 93.90 is one resistance, and this triangle, wherever we meet this triangle, could be another resistance. This 50 EMA is another resistance, then 99.70. So we have these resistances spread out at good intervals. We'll see where would be the next reaction. For now, the candle as such, the daily candle as such, is not very encouraging. It formed a gravestone doji candle, and but there was some bad news in the system as well. So maybe this could be a result of that. But it is still within the triangle and above critical support levels. There is no reason to believe that it may go way down. A lot of support available here. But let's see what move Nifty makes on the next trading day. Right. That's pretty much, friends. I'll make another video looking at all the different sectors and come back shortly. Thank you.